Hello everyone, I'm just going to show you a quick how-to on the app to help you guys out find all our promotions and make everything easy. So when you click it, if you go to the top right corner, the Facebook icon brings you right to our page, and the little needle actually brings you straight to our website. So if you see something on here and you want to go onto our website to check it out in more depth, just click that needle. Now you can scroll all the way down, go to our home page, and click any of these and it'll bring you to their section. But to be even easier, you can click this little hamburger looking thing in the top left corner and it brings up this page that will take you directly to whatever category you want, whether it's classes, promotions, see what's new, any of it. So you click the promotions and you see our deals, a Viking deal or whatever new deal we have come up that we'll send out push notifications that you'll see. It'll bring you right here and you won't miss a single deal that we have, and come on into the store and cash in on the great rewards. Thank you.